Okay, in this video I'm going to explain what is a Qualcomm. This is a Qualcomm here. I'm trying to get it in this angle so the like the reflection, like, okay, this is your home key. This is simple. CR England, Swift. A lot of these companies has these Qualcomms. You know, this right here, it's just the basic, the messaging, the hours of service, the navigation. You know, this is where you do everything. You know, the messages, you have the inbox, and you also have the compose. Compose is to let them know what you're doing. These are all macros. Right now, I just made it to the customer, and then what I would do is I would just do arrive that shipper is what I'm gonna send in. And normally these boxes, we don't even fill that out, you know, but we arrive that shipper because we're picking up a load. Send it.
A new message has arrived.
They send me a message, and
a new message has arrived.
there it is. That's them responding back. You have arrived at the customer. Please remember to get out and look. Send the macro. Yep. So these are all the macros. The arrived at shipper. The loader call is the most that I use. I also use macro 39, which is get out and look. You have to put that in. You know, verify space available. Yeah, what's the clearance on the side? Then let me cancel that out. And that's basically what it is. And also, I also use empty call, which is macro 6. You know, CR England, they are the same. You know, some of these macros they change, but that's how we communicate with these with the planners. See empty call. You put in the time, date, and your name, last name, and trailer drop, trailer picking up. Now the inbox, load destination, right here. Load assignment origin, Teacher Max Redline Road. And sometimes if you don't know where the load is, you just go to navigation, this little house here, go to dispatch, and right there, just click on it and it tells you.
Asking
right.
through.
Okay, back to the Qualcomm. We're gonna do the loader call. So then you start some inbox, outbox. This is what you already sent them. Compose. So right now, we already did arrive at shipper. Now we're gonna do the loader call. Loader call, today's date is September 6th. We're gonna get there, it's 9:42, we'll get there by 10. I put 10:20. And then, okay, ETA for next stop, I say September 6th. We'll get there by 10:20. And then a PTA for next load, I'll be ready. You know, I like to give, you know, sometimes an hour or more, but because it's not far, a couple minutes won't harm it. And then 10:20, and then I'll say I'll be there for 30 minutes or so. So I just put 11 o'clock. The bill of lading. Bill of lading. I have everything written down. So we got 1, 2, 3, 2132, 2132, 6280, and then you hit the tab, the weight. You gotta put the weight, 18,465. 18,465. The pieces is 1231. Then you scroll down. Force, yes. Come on, force lock applied. Yes. That message was if I want to put myself on duty. But nah. Destination bill matches. I just put yes on that. You know, that's the basic. You know, the seal. Seal, we don't have that yet, so I don't feel that in. But yeah, we can. I don't have it yet, but I'm gonna do the loader call because it's not necessarily right now because it's not highlighted in red. Everything that's highlighted in red needs to be filled out. And then of course trailers drop. We didn't drop none. Trailers picking up. Yes, we're picking up 94 74 61, 94 74 61. We send it. Yes. And then inbox, waiting for them to respond. Delete all these messages. There
A
it
new
is.
message has arrived. A new message
There
has
it is.
arrived. A new message has arrived.
So, loader call was received and updated.
Message has arrived. Message
Rail
4 of
instruction,
5.
driver must send macro 9.
Today. Message 3 of
Very important. Yep,
Message
that's what it
2.
is. So we're good to go.
Message-
Once you do your loader
Message-
call was received and updated. We're good to go.
highlighted.
And that's it. And then if you want to go to the destination where you're going,
Messaging.
you go to navigation, you click on the little house at the bottom, dispatch, and then it'll tell you fuel stop, or that's right there. Home, navigation, the little red box there, it'll give you everything you need. Okay? I just like to follow me. Alright? So that's it. Thanks for watching.